Wow, this looks incredible. Now, my name is Gareth and I'm a scientist here at SFM, and today we're going to be doing some really cool experiments. Now, I'm joined today by Simon, who's another scientist here at SFM.
Hi everyone.
Now Simon, this looks incredible. What's going on? I can see smoke coming over the top. It should feel hot, but it actually feels quite cold. What is sublimation, Simon? What is going on here? It looks amazing.
Oh well, Gareth, this is the act of sublimation. Sublimation is a physical phenomenon. It's fantastic. So what we have is we have solid CO2, so that's carbon dioxide. So that's what makes your drinks fizzy. It's also in the air around us, what we breathe out. So what happens is if you cool this down, then it turns into a solid. And when it warms back up, instead of like water going from an ice to a liquid, it goes straight from a solid to a gas. And this is the act of sublimation. So carbon dioxide as a solid, it skips the liquid phase and goes straight into a gas, and here is a perfect example.
Oh wow, go on, try it. Oh, that's amazing, Simon. Incredible, wow.
I do love sublimation.
That's incredible. And thank you for explaining sublimation to us, Simon.
That is perfectly fine. Just another note though, be careful, it is cold. If you touch it, make sure you wear gloves.
Thank you. And now on to experiment number 2. Thank you very much. Experiment 1 was really nice, but I really fancy like blowing something up. I wonder if Simon would go for that.
Is everything all right, Gareth?
Simon? Yes, I just had a wonderful idea. Simon, why don't we make something explode?
That sounds dangerous.
Come on, Simon.
Danger is my middle name. Let's make a volcano.
Simon, how are we going to do this?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take some things that we've all got at home, and we're going to add them together in a specific way, and then we can make an eruption.
That sounds wonderful. Show me how it's done.
So what we have is we have some washing up liquid.
Yes.
Nice bright green there. We have some food dye to make it look pretty. We have some baking soda, which everyone has at home, to make cakes. Everyone loves a good cake. And over here we have some of our white wine vinegar. It's distilled. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add them together, and then we'll make our volcano.
That sounds awesome. Let's start. Let's go. What do you want to do first?
Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to add 10 mil, and we have a measuring cylinder.
Oh, wonderful.
Beautiful.
So you get exactly 10 mil. Fantastic.
So what we do is we add our 10 mil here.
Yes.
It's very viscous, this.
Oh wow, it's going up. Look at that.
I do love the colour though, it's beautiful, isn't it?
It's a beautiful colour, yes. So let's pop in our washing up liquid.
And remember, Gareth, if you're going to try this at home, make sure you have a parent with you at all times.
That's a very good point, Simon.
Because it is a very messy eruption.
Yes.
So there's our 10 mil washing up liquid. And the washing up liquid, what that will do is that will give us our foam.
So wonderful.
So the bubbles, that will give our,
is that the
our
bubbles?
Yeah.
Excellent.
So we just take some water here, again with another measuring cylinder,
wow.
a bit bigger here.
So you want an exact measurement again? We're using a measuring cylinder for that.
At home though, you could just use a cup.
Oh, excellent.
Rather than an exact mil. But you
Yes.
know, we're in a lab, we're scientists, well, one of us is. So we'll just use a measuring cylinder. So add our washing up liquid
Excellent.
and our water, there we go. Give this a
Give it
good
a stir.
Give it a good stir. And then we take our food colouring, our food dye. Here we have a beautiful pink. This is a pastel pipette, but we will not use that.
How much are we going to be putting in, Simon, approximately?
I think a lot, because I like a lot.
Oh, go on then. Pop in a lot.
A lot, right, let's do a lot.
Go on then, do it.
So we've got to try and get rid of that green. There,
yeah.
there we go.
Oh, there you go.
That's a nice colour. That's
Oh,
beautiful,
wow.
that. And then we want our distilled white wine vinegar.
Oh, yes.
At home it's a bit yellow, but we've purified it here.
Oh, wonderful.
In the name of science.
In the name of science. Let's pop that in.
So let's add this. So we want 400 mil, so
Yes.
a pint of this will do.
Oh, wonderful.
Unfortunately, we've only got a teeny tiny measuring cylinder, so we're going to have to repeat this.
Okay.
But practice makes perfect.
Oh, you can smell the vinegar, can't you?
Oh, you can. It stinks. Oh.
Oh, smell it.
It's like being in the seaside, this.
It is, isn't it?
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Bit of acetic acid. All right. So there we go.
Excellent.
Pop that in.
Pop that in.
And all the way.
So this is a part we really need to be careful on, isn't it? We need to stand back, make sure there's an adult around when you add the last final ingredient.
Yes, we do. So we have all of our ingredients in this. Just to recap, we have our washing up liquid, our food dye, our water, our white wine vinegar, and then the last thing to add, which is almost like, if you like, your catalyst, what's going to start this reaction, is your baking soda. So half a cup, half a cup of water, half a cup of baking soda. It says to make it into a slurry, if you like. That's typically what people do.
So how do you do that? Just by mixing it?
Just by mixing it.
Oh, that's great.
And it makes a sort of, well, almost looks like milk, doesn't it?
Yes, yes.
It's a colloidal suspension for those who are interested. Now, what that means is just particles that don't dissolve in water, they just sit in water.
Oh, wonderful.
So what we're going to do is we're going to add this, or would you like to do the honours, Gareth? As you wanted to do the eruption.
All right. Yeah, is everybody going to count me in? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look at it go!
Wow! That's amazing.
I love that.
Look at it. It's completely erupted.
There you go, a homemade volcano.
That's amazing, Simon. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you. And now on to experiment number 3. Wow, Simon, that took an age to clean up. I can't believe we blew something up in a volcano. That was awesome.
It was fantastic. I loved it, apart from the cleaning up, not so much a fan. But, so a little birdie tells me you like playing games, Gareth.
I love to play games. What have you got for me, Simon?
I have a very, very interesting game here. So it's called ice fishing. So what we have is ice cubes and in some water here, but it's just got some blue dye to make it fancy. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and pick up the ice with the piece of yarn.
Oh, can I have a go?
Of course you can. Why don't you have a go?
Let's have a try. I can do this. I can do this.
I believe in you, Gareth. I believe in you.
Wait. Come on. If I get it around the back here.
You just need to try a little bit. That's it.
I can move it around.
You've almost done it.
Come on. Simon, it's not quite working. Can I try the other one?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Come on. I can get this to work. Oh, I got it to move, but I can't pick it up. It won't move anywhere. Simon, what's going on? Why can't I do this?
Well, you see, what the problem is here, Gareth, is we've got ice, and it's a solid. So the yarn's not going to stick to it, is it? We need something to help it stick.
How are we going to do it?
So, this might be a little bit naughty of me, but I prepared some salt. So some sodium chloride, some just table salt.
Yes.
And what we're going to do is we're going to add the table salt to the top of the ice cube. And what that's going to do is it's going to melt the ice cube just a little bit.
Okay.
Push that freezing point down so it just melts. We add the yarn, and as we've added the yarn, the ice cube's going to freeze again, and then we're going to be able to pick up the ice with the yarn.
So it's going to hold the yarn or string to the ice cube. We're going to be able to pick it up. I don't believe that, Simon.
Oh, well, we will find out. Do you want me to show you a demonstration from the master, or would you like to have another go?
No, go on, you show me. I'll watch.
So we add a little bit of ice, a little bit of salt. I'm losing my words here. If we can, these ice cubes have seen better days, haven't they? Let's give it a tap.
Yeah.
A little bit of.
You got the ice right on the top there.
And add a little bit of water.
Oh, wonderful.
There we go.
Excellent.
And then if you'd like to just take that yarn.
Yes.
Just press it on there for me.
So give it a little press like that.
That's it.
So what's happening now, Simon? You were saying that the ice is melting a little bit.
So the salt gets into the structure of the ice.
Oh, yes.
And what it does is it causes it to sort of come apart. Imagine a sort of rickety old ridge, if you like.
Okay, yeah.
And then once the salt dissolves into the ice cube, then it becomes less and less concentrated. So there's less of it there.
Okay.
So then it freezes again, and it freezes around your string.
But it allows me to try and pick it up. So I couldn't pick it up before. Let's try again now. Ooh.
Hey, there we go.
Look at that. Look at that.
That is a 0 to hero right there.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Now, is this something we could try at home, Simon? I think it is, isn't it?
This is something everyone could try at home. This is the great game. And the best part about it is you try and see how many ice cubes you can pick up on a single piece of string. So get your brothers, your sisters, your mothers, your fathers, and what you do is you have the same length string. How many ice cubes can you pick up in a minute?
So do you think they should send us some photos in about this, or?
Yeah, if we can take some videos and some photos, send them in the comments, etc. That'd be great.
That'd be fantastic. Yes, that'd be absolutely brilliant.
Actually, on that note, do you know what would be a great idea?
What?
We should get some of our colleagues,
Some of the wonderful scientists that we work with.
some of the wonderful
At
scientists,
SFM.
and we should invite them in, and we should have a game of how many ice cubes can they pick up.
Excellent.
Sound
Excellent. Yes, let's get them in here now.
Okay, right, so I've got to pick this up, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, I'll try my best.
Pick it up.
Yeah.
I've got to pick it up, you say?
It's not working.
We've got a new technique.
You don't need to come in.
So this isn't going to work, is it?
No.
You can see I'm not a chemist, can't you? How do you do it?
I don't know. How do I do that? What is this? I believe it's salt, isn't it?
You didn't tell me I could pick some
There
up.
we go. So you can melt the top of the ice.
Ah,
Yeah, I was thinking, should I put the blue stuff on it?
Just a little bit.
On there. Seal it or not?
It should.
I didn't see it there. It should be here.
What's your thing?
The water here.
Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Oh, yes.
Hey, well done, Sue. Well done.
Ah, this is so cool! Look at that!
Well done.
Yeah, that's great.
Simon, that's been an absolutely wonderful day, and I hope everybody has really enjoyed it. So from all of us here, have a great time. Please send in your photos, and we'll see you later. Bye. Bye, everybody. Take care. Bye.